Flowing through the Scottish borders into Northumberland, the River Tweed is famous for its beauty, wildlife and rich heritage. At Destination Tweed, we are revitalising the river and its surrounding areas through 12 exciting projects, working with communities to create lasting environmental, social and cultural benefits. In 2028, one of the UK's most stunning walking and cycling routes will be launched, the River Tweed Trail. It will showcase the river's exceptional natural, built and cultural heritage all the way from Moffat to Berwick upon Tweed where it meets the sea. Visit our website for more information about our projects and find out how you can help to care for and celebrate this remarkable river.